Hey guys, Jared Benson with Model Realty here. I'm bringing you another property out in Woodland Meadows today, this one by Remington Custom Homes. See their sign? And it is listed by League Realty. So I'm gonna take you in. It's a beautiful home. It's almost 5,000 square feet with 5 beds and 4.5 baths. So I like this one. I've done a couple videos in this neighborhood. I'll try and link to them in the comments so you can check them out if you're interested in Woodland Meadows. But this one really does have some really unique features. So we're gonna take a look at the office. Now this is a working office. They do have a sales rep out here, so that's why you're gonna see this stuff, but nice, pretty office. I like this black accent throughout the house. This is the dining room. We're gonna keep going. Now I'm gonna take you to the master first. That's really what I feel like is the most unique part of this property that I have not seen in other homes out here. And this is not the master, this is the guest bath, this is the half bath. Let's take a look. So you've got a door that you walk through to separate the full master suite. And I would call this a suite, not just a master, but you've got your big master closet, lots of built-ins, shelving, drawers. You got windows over here, which is great. I'm gonna show you this master bath. You got your standalone tub and your separate vanities. And then you got a nice, what's up guys? Hi. You got your nice shower here. I love the glass walls. I love the kind of the herringbone tile and these windows. So we're gonna take a step back. We're gonna come check out this master. And I really just love the seclusion you feel being on this whole side of the house. I mean, it's this whole like extension of the home is the master suite. So high windows, these nice sconces on the wall. And we're gonna come back out. We're gonna take a look at the living and the kitchen. And this living room really does have an amazing statement piece. But as we come out, I want to show you this staircase. This is just a really beautiful piece as well. I like the contrasted black on natural wood. This iron railing. We're gonna come take a look at this wall over here. Floor to ceiling, black wall, fireplace, shelving, cabinets. Really pretty. I mean, and I was talking with the rep, and it's not something that you might have someone tell you to do, but man, does it look good done in this space. So you've got your walkway between bedrooms over here that you can see. We're gonna take a look at the kitchen. So you've got a huge island. I mean, that's gotta be basically a full slab. I don't think you get much bigger than that without having a seam in it. You've got your kitchen, you've got your gas range. You know what I love? I love built-in fridge and freezer. We're gonna pop this open. Man, these built-ins are just awesome. They'll last forever. They look good. You don't have to worry about replacing them every few years. And we're gonna come in and take a look. You've got this kind of mini desk area, mini office. Got this big pantry space, almost like a butler pantry. Look at all the gadgets and gizmos. My wife would have a field day. She could have her mixer, her bread maker, her coffee maker. Could have everything back here. And all this shelving. So guys, if you haven't seen the other videos on Woodland Meadows, check them out. But I want to give you some info on the neighborhood. So everything out here is at least 1 acre. This home is in Parker County on 2 acres. There's well and septic. Now guys, I actually kind of like this room. I like that they did something different in here. You may or may not like this color, but I like the accent of this laundry room. It just looks different. It feels nice. And again, it's just paint. So you can always, it's easy to change. So all right, go back to Woodland Meadows. On well and septic. If it's something you're unfamiliar with, feel free to ask questions in the comments or shoot me a message. My contact info will be below. But I love well and septic. I'm on 1 acre, well and septic in Parker County. No water bill, Don't have to mess with the city on that stuff. They can't shut you off. And all you gotta do is maintain it the right way. So let's go upstairs and take a look at this. Now guys, there is high-speed internet out here, which when I have buyers buying in what maybe they're moving to the state and they feel like this is a remote, quote unquote, location, they have questions about internet. Well, no need to fear out here. Got high-speed internet and a media room to stream what you need to stream. Saturdays and Sunday game days, movie nights, video games. You know, I'm a wannabe video gamer. I no longer have time. I have kids and a wife and a job. But I loved me some video games when I was younger. I like these upstairs rooms. It's a big shower. This comes back out. And guys, you have a second laundry room. Now, who loves walking laundry up and down stairs? The answer is no one. So now you can do all your kids' laundry upstairs and not have to carry it up and down. Your kids will thank you. Your wife will thank you. Your husband will thank you. So let's come take a look at the other side. So you've got 2 beds over here with the media room. And we're going to take a look and you can see over the side into this living space. I really like how open this is. This is just great. I'm going to take a look. And over here we have a true Jack and Jill. 2 bedrooms that share a bathroom. Take a look at this bedroom. So this is one of the guest beds. You've got the closet over here. I was talking to the builder's rep about this tile. I like these accent tile pieces. I like that they look different and they stand out. Some of my clients don't really like stuff like that, but I like it when it sticks out a little bit. So guys, really pretty house. You know, you're 20, 25 minutes from downtown Fort Worth. Really easy to get in and out of here. Great neighborhood, you know, currently maybe like 65-ish lots. It's HOA and deed restricted, which I know some people like to complain and they say they hate HOAs, but most in Texas are pretty nice, pretty good. They keep their interference to a minimum, and it's important, guys. It is, in a neighborhood like this, you do need there to be some rules to make sure that, you know, that one neighbor doesn't leave junker cars in their yard, that, you know, a home doesn't go vacant and grass gets to be 2 feet tall. Nice back patio. Again, this lot's on 2 acres, so twice the size of your neighbor's lots. Let's check out this statement wall one more time. Guys, Jared Benson with Model Realty here. Again, I'm an Aledo resident. Aledo ISD. If you're looking for new construction, you're looking for a great school district, you want something with a little bit of breathing room between your neighbors, this home by Remington Custom is an amazing option, but if for some reason it doesn't do it for you, reach out. I'll help you find something that works great. Now, Remington will build custom homes on their own lots for you, and they will build custom homes on your lot if you have one, which is also a really great option. You can pick and choose every little tiny detail. For some of you, that's a dream, and for some of you, that's a nightmare. Either way, it's an option. So if you watch this far, let me know. Would you love picking every choice of a new home, or is that your worst nightmare, and would you and your spouse hate it if you have a spouse? Guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have questions. Like and subscribe.